Welcome to the guide on how to use the conscious gear Vestapak. Firstly, we will turn the Vestapak to the back and open the top pocket. From there, we'll reach into the back slot and pull out the water bladder. The water bladder is connected to the Vestapak with a black snapback. Simply pull them apart and slide the snapback through the hole of the cover of the water bladder. After that, take the gray cover and slide it off. Then there will be a back flap that you can flip upwards, and now the water bladder is open. Once open, you can fill the water bladder with any liquid of your choosing. Once filled, reflip the flap down and slide the gray cover back on top. Then, feed the black snapback back through the cover and reattach the two sides. Once secured, then slip the water bladder back into the back pocket of the Vestapak. Once the Vestapak is equipped and the bladder is full, you can take the tube and slightly push it into the hollister from the top and the bottom. Do that for both hollisters to tightly secure the bite valve. After that, simply bite down on the bite valve and then drink. Enjoy your Vestapak!